Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Lolo Matlala, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and please share this video with your loved ones. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate you guys a lot. Today it's Monday, guys, and we just came back from my in-laws. It's been the weekend. We came back today and I didn't go to work, and I'm about to cook. Nothing hectic. I'm just cooking rice and beef stew. Yeah, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are great. So yeah, let's cook. I just did my face for Instagram. I neglected my Instagram. Yeah, I neglected my Instagram, and I just did my face now. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. I just came back from work, knocked off very early. Yeah, and I'm so hungry. And guys, it's all like a little talk. Like, I don't know why. Mara ukarli felt like a mad. Like, I don't know why. But yeah, remote KFC. We just want to get something to eat. Yeah, I get all while there, so kind of go busy. So, like, it would talk, guys. They felt like a mad. But yeah. So I'm just waiting for my husband. Yeah, and I also don't know where this vlog is going, guys. You guys will bear with me. You know, go hectic, but we'll keep it moving. We'll keep it moving. Oh, and guys, I just wanted to remind you, let's go the super thanks button, guys. Please don't forget. It's just another way of showing your support. Yeah, it's just another way of showing your support. And I'm so close to reaching the 4,000 watch hours. I'm so close, and I can't wait because I want to buy a new camera, and that is going to help me a lot. Please don't forget to use the super thanks button. Yeah, and also guys, please watch my videos or this video till the end. Like, it really helps with the watch hours. It really boosts my watch hours. Please just do that for me, please. So this was just a quick update. Yeah.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly.
I've been looking for a plant for my salon. I saw it. It's not bad. It's not expensive. It's 900. It's not bad because it's like 1.2, 1.3. So I will come back because now I know it's here and it's not expensive. Yeah.
Whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, brave. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. It's a Saturday today and I just made a smoothie. But before I got distracted for Nakarina space, I have to delete some pictures and videos. I don't know, I'm thinking of buying a new phone. Korean stress because every time I get content, like it's a mission. I have to delete apps and it's a lot. So yeah, I just wanted to welcome you guys to a new day. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know I'm going to be busy in our small shop. So yeah guys, I will say they're still busy now fixing things here and there, so I'm just waiting for them to finish, and I don't think they're going to finish soon. So yeah, hope you guys are well, hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. I will see you guys somewhere during the day. Sharp. Morning guys, hope you guys are well. I'm about to go to work, so I just quickly wanted to come here and show you what I got on Takealot the other day. So it came on Friday, but I just forgot to show you guys. I bought a table, a small portable table on Takealot. The reason why I bought this is because I used to struggle, especially when I do house calls. Like I'd struggle. There's no small table where I can put my products. So this December, I just wanted to be organized and have everything in order because it will be so hectic. I don't want to be bothering people asking for tables and stuff. So I just want to be that girl, or organized and have my things in order. So yeah. So let me just open it for you guys so you can see. It's just a small So it's just a small portable table that you can carry around for my makeup girlies. It's really small but portable, so your products can fit here. This is how it looks, and have this thing that you can hold here. So yeah, I really love this table, and I think all my products are going to fit here. All my products are going to fit here. So this is just a plug. This is just a plug for my traveling makeup artist. If you don't have a table, get yourself this one. It's not expensive. It's just 400. Obviously you're going to pay for a delivery fee as well, but it's not bad. It's really not bad. So yeah guys, and I think I'm going to close off this vlog right now because I have a busy weekend ahead and I want to prepare my things, also get rid of the footage that I have in my phone right now because space. Therefore content day weekend, so I'm going to have to delete some of. I'll see you guys on my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and please share this video with your loved ones. Lovely. And if you watch this video till the end, please leave me a heart in the comment section, and please don't forget to use the super thanks button, please. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Dark, that we can go inside.